guys, I'm back with one more video, and in today's video, now we are starting to solving the things. Okay, means that now I did not tell you things about the Python. Now I'm starting to solving the things in the LeetCode camp, HackerRank, and BOOSTRAP. First of all, we started from the LeetCode camp. In the LeetCode camp, first of all, we started from the oldest question. Okay, by the name of find a unique character in a string. So this one question we are solving in the LeetCode camp. So get ready for it, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and you don't get to all the notification bell also, so never miss about these type of videos on the LeetCode camp questions, and we give the answer. And we are solving this question in the Python, obviously, because in this channel we are doing only Python. So that's why in this question we are solving in the Python. And in this video I also told you how to log in the LeetCode camp, how to come on to the contest of it, all the thing in today's video I am telling you. So get ready for it. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, we are doing very old one question in the LeetCode camp. First of all, you open your LeetCode camp. I have already opened it, but let me tell you how to open it and how to log in it and all the thing. Let me told you about it. So let's start and let me told you. So first of all, you only want to do it. Come on to the open the website by the name of LeetCode camp. First of all, you open it. So I have already logged in it. So first of all, you log in. Then this type of interface has been came to the LeetCode camp. When this type of interface has been came onto the LeetCode camp, you only want to do it. First of all, come onto the contest. Okay, here we come onto the contest. Now when you come onto the contest, click onto the 59 page, because we are doing in the oldest one. Okay, so click onto the warm up contest, and when you click on it, click onto the second one. First of all, we started from the easy one, then we come onto the medium and hard. Okay, so the question is 387 question by the name of first unique character in a string. So what is that, and that all the things. Let me write a code, then I will be explain you the what we have. I wrote it down. So first of all, it has been saying me given a string as. First of all, he write a code for me, and in this code he write class solution and def keyword, in which he write first unique, like this type of one code. It has been written down. So first of all, you only want to do it. First of all, right here, let me tell you, remove this thing. Okay, now when you remove this thing, you only want to do it write public, in which you write int and then first, and then you write first unique char, in which you write a string. And when you write a string, right here in the space s and then write bracket. Now when you do this, so you only want to do it right here int, in which you define square brackets, then count equals to new. Now when you define this, so right here int and then 26. Now when I wrote it down it, so I am writing here semicolon. Now perfect. Now you only want to do it, define here int one more time, that n equals to s dot length, in which you define here rounded brackets and then semicolon. Now here it's saying me given a string s. Here it is given the one string by the name of s, in which find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it does not exist, return -1. If it does not exist, you want to return -1. Okay, and here it give the example 1, example 2, example 3. Okay, if you want this, if you are confusing in it, so you will see the examples also. Okay, now when it has been saying, so I am not writing a comments. If you want to define a comment, you define it for that in I that equals to 0. I am writing like this, then I slash then n, in which you define semicolon one more time. Then you define I plus plus, means it will be plus 2 times. Okay, that's why I am defining I plus plus, in which I am defining curly brackets. And now when I define it, so you only want to do it right here I plus plus, then you define a curly bracket, in which you define int index. Okay, int index that equals to s dot char at and then I. Now when you define this, so you only want to do it write equals to in the semicolon A. Now write like this semicolon, and then you only want to do it right here count, then index, then write here I plus plus here, or I think so not I plus plus right. Okay, now it's perfect. Now when this all the thing had been done by for you, then enter press from here. Now here we find the index. What here we find? We find our index. To find the index, for you write a for loop. Okay, and then when you write for loop, write int I equals to 0, and then when you write this all the things, first of all write here I equals to n, and then define I plus plus because we place it 2 times. Then define a curly brackets one more time, and then when you do all the things, write here int index equals to dot char. Okay, char c will be in smaller at. Now when you define it, there all the things, write here I, then write here equals to, then in the single comma you write like this, and then like this. Now perfect. When you this when you do this all the thing, write here if, means we define an if statement in which we write in the rounded brackets count, and then count, then in the square bracket we write index, and in the index we write equals to 1, and then curly brackets one more time. And then when you define it, like in the last we say write here return I. Now the code has been not finished. You write here return -1, and then like this. Perfect. Now this thing, all the thing has been perfect. Okay, so now you only want to do it when we write this all the thing. First of all we see here we write curly brackets, here we write curly brackets. Okay, so now when we do this all the thing, first of all let recheck the question. Okay, so recheck it. It's semi given a string s. Here we define a one given a string s. Where, let me show you. Here we define a given a string s. Okay, then it's semi find the first non-repeating character. First non-repeating character. I wrote in the first non-repeating character in it, and it say return its index. If it does not exist, means it say if it does not exist, return -1. And in the 16th line we already return -1. Here we wrote it, and here it is give the example. Here you can see it. Here it created a one string by the name of s, in which he write LeetCode, and then outputs will be 0. And it also give the explanation. Here you can see it. You can also read this example. You can use this 2, 3 examples, and you will be solve your question. Okay, using this example, and it give me the constraints which we use it. Okay, so now here you can see it. Now let's run this question and let's submit this question, and let's see what will our output will become. Our output will become correct or not. So let's see our output, and let's see our output will become correct or not. So let's see it. So we write return -1, and that all the thing I have explained you. Or here I define a little bit comments like find the index and build hash map. So if you want to remove it, so remove it. Okay, so this type of one code we have written down it. So you only want to do it, come onto here and click onto the run. What you can click onto the run. Now first of all we see our output has been correct or not. If our output has been not correct, so it will be in my run if I run it, so it will give me the error. Okay, so let's see it, our output has been correct or not. So first of all we run it. So let's see the test result. So here you can see it, our case 2, case 1 and case 3 is corrected. Here you can see it, it has been corrected. Let me show you. Here you can see it, these all are correct. Here you can see it. So let's submit it and let's see it is perfect, our answer is perfect or not. Here we run it, our question. So let's see it, but let me add a one little bit line, because it say given a string s. So let's add it one thing. Okay, so let's comment here, given the string s, copy this and then paste it here. Now let's run this question. So now it take okay, our case 1, case 2 and case 3 is perfect. Now let's submit it and let's see our output is correct or not. So let's see. When I click on the submit, So it take a little bit time. So here you can see it, our output has been correct. Here you can see it, it is giving me all the correct answers. Here you can see it, I do it in a 32 milliseconds. Okay, many people do not know what is a 32 ml. It is a 32 milliseconds. Okay, here you can see it. So our first question will be solve it very easily, as here you can see it, and you define here, you choose any languages, but I solved this in the Python 3. Okay, or you can solve it in C++, Java, Python 3, C Sharp, JavaScript, TypeScript, PHP, Swift, Kotlin. I solve it in the Python. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video in which we solve our first question and warm up a contest first question in this video. So I hope you enjoy this video, and we are starting from easy, then we come on to the medium, then hard. Okay, so get ready for it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also now about these type of videos on this question answer of these questions. So our first question has been done by the name of first unique character in a string. So in the next video we cover this question, lexicographical numbers. Okay, which lexicographical numbers, and this is a 386 number. Okay, and this is a medium. Okay, so it is so hard. So in the next video we are solving it, so get ready for it. Now let me meet you in the next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.